Hello friends, welcome back to my channel ShivHax, and today I'm going to be unboxing this W8 video shooting pen. Now this pen has a HD 1080p camera, plus it can record continuously for 150 minutes and it can support 256GB SD card. So let's start unboxing, but before that I would like you to subscribe and like this video. And it also has this feature where you can slide the shutter up and it actually hides the camera. This is good to use in normal life where you do not need to use the camera, just you need to slide it up and you're ready to write something down. And when you want to capture something, just slide it down, press the button, and you got your evidence captured. This is so discreet. I have never seen this in any other pen. This is the best pen.